Thanks for joining us. I'm Katie Crowther. Shots were fired at a protest outside the home where a suspended Wauwatosa police officer lives with his girlfriend. Officer Joseph Mensah is under investigation for his involvement in 3 separate fatal shootings in the past 5 years. Lauren Linder shows us what happened last night.
Crime tape remains here outside a home off 100th and Vienna in Wauwatosa, where the protest took place Saturday night. I talked with suspended police officer Joseph Mensah and his girlfriend off camera. They tell me that they respect peaceful protests, but this wasn't that. Cell phone video shows what happened outside a home in Wauwatosa. Protesters throwing toilet paper in trees outside a house owned by Joseph Mensah's girlfriend. RENAE Johnson watched it unfold.
It was loud. It was a lot of mayhem, and people were screaming. They were on the bullhorns and, saying, "You should be arrested."
Mensah is the Wauwatosa police officer behind 3 different fatal shootings in the past 5 years. In early July, the city's Police and Fire Commission suspended him from the department. But people throughout the area continue to protest with the hopes that charges are filed and Mensah is fired. Though Saturday night, those protests escalated.
I know that there was one gunshot. I heard that.
Police say a group of about 50 to 60 people gathered around the home of Mensah's girlfriend and vandalized it. They say as Mensah tried to talk with the crowd, he was physically assaulted, and that someone in the group fired a shot at the back door. Mensah and his girlfriend didn't want to go on camera, but they tell me this is the mark left by the bullet. They say protesters prevented Mensah from going inside the house and chased him with a shotgun. He also says they broke the windows of the back door. In a post on Mensah's Facebook page, he writes, "The protesters tried to kill me," adding the irony in all of this is that they chanted Black Lives Matter the entire time, but had zero regard for any of the black children that lived there or me, a black man. TMJ4 News reached out to local protest leaders. No one wanted to go on camera, but they did say they do not condone violence at these marches. Police also say that they respect people's right to peacefully protest. The investigation is ongoing. Reporting in Wauwatosa, Lauren Linder, TMJ4 News.
All right, thanks, Lauren. Wauwatosa Mayor Dennis McBride weighing in, saying, in part, "I ask all members of the community to reflect on their personal responsibility to engage in responsible and civil behavior, and that we all must work together to heal a divided community." Tomorrow, the mayor is planning to meet with police and city officials on steps to keep Mensah safe.